download the Mac Multitouch driver, start by visiting our website, newline-interactive.com. From here, select the Support tab and Online Knowledge Base. From here, search for Mac Multitouch driver. Here you will see Multitouch driver for Mac download. Select this and follow the download procedure. Once you have downloaded the Mac Multitouch driver, follow the installation procedure. Once your installation is complete, go to your System Preferences. From here, select Security and Privacy. Then select Accessibility. If you do not see the Mac Multitouch driver, you will need to add it. To do so, press the plus sign and search for your Newline Multitouch driver. Once you see a check mark next to the Newline Touch driver and see the hand at the top right menu, your Newline Mac Multitouch driver is installed.